it's not allowed in this application to record the screen. So
yeah. So we will already start the video meeting recording. So I think we can share it later.
Yes. Yes, sir. I think is protection in this application can't record the screen. So you can send me the process it after finish this meeting.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, sure, no problem. So let me quickly explain what is our console about and is how to use it. So once you log into our console, you can click this hamburger menu on the left top corner. So basically, this page showcases all our service. Mainly, the reason the main service are focused on this AI and the personalization part. The model arc will be the service provide all the AI models. So if you click this one, click the model arc, then you can enter the model arc service homepage. Here contain all the AI models, including C-Dance, C-Dream, Seed, and the Seed Audio. And on this left side, this is the menu set bar. The most important two menu are the playground and the online service. Another one will be the API key. Here you will be used to create the API key. So have you ever tried this console before?
No, I didn't try. I just buy the credit from it, from the link you send it to, but
Okay.
I can't get.
Okay.
Yes, you can send the link to me and I can.
Okay. In that case, the first thing you need to do is to activate the model. So in terms of how to activate the model, the entrance is here. There is a menu called model activation. You need to click here.
Yes.
And then you will see a lot of models, including chat model, media model, and the embedding model. Chat model contain the seed model. Media model contain the C-Dance and the C-Dream. Because I've already active the model on my account, so here shows activate. I think in your account, here should show not active or deactive so far. You need to click a button here. In your case, it should show active here. You need to click here and activate your model. Then you can use it.
Okay.
This is step one. So that is active model. After that, I suggest you to try it on the UI. So in terms of how to try it on UI, it's here. It's called playground. So click here. This is just similar with ChatGPT. So you can choose chat model or media model from here. For example, if you choose media model, you can choose which C-Dance version you want to use. If you want to use C-Dance 2.0, you choose C-Dance 2.0. If you want to use mini, you choose mini. So here is the model selection. Then you can input all the prompt and the parameter here. For example, if you click here, you can upload the reference video or picture and audio. And then you can input the prompt here. If you want to set up the output parameter, for example, if you click here, you can choose the retro resolution, duration, and how many the quality. And if you want to set up the sound open or close, how many videos you wanted the AI model to output, that kind of parameter. Also, another one is here. There is a configuration button. So if you click here, you can then, for example, set more parameter. For example, the most important one is this watermark. So if you switch on this watermark parameter, there will be a AI generated watermark on the video. So most of the time, please switch it off.
Yes.
So here is a place for you to try on the UI side. So everything is manually here.
But I already made my my UI one. I just need the API key to.
Oh, okay, yeah. So here why I explain this, because before you use the API key, you need to make sure you already active the model.
Yes, yes.
So
okay.
you try
to
here.
Check the model is
Yeah.
active.
You try here. You can generate one video successfully. Then everything is cool. Then we can go to the API generation process. So in terms of generating API, there are two steps. The first step is create an online inference. The second step is create API key. So why we need to create the online reference? Because when you use model, ByteDance provide the capability of our client to customize how to use the model. For example, some customer want to open the pre-filters, and other customer want to close the filter. So this kind of customization can be set from this online inference. And in terms of how to do it, click this online inference button, then choose this model inference access point, and click this create inference endpoint. Then here, input the endpoint name. For example, maybe let's say ByteDance 2.0 test endpoint, and give some description. And here is the contents pre-filter I mentioned just now. So for the contents who want to generate the NSFW contents, please switch this off. Otherwise, you can keep it on. Then you need to describe which endpoint this is for which model. For example, if you want to create a ByteDance 2.0 endpoint, just choose the ByteDance 2.0 and choose the version. The current only one, and click confirm. And then for now, I think we can keep everything at the default. But however, if you want to modify, for example, the concurrency, the RPM, the current one, the default one is 10 concurrency for one endpoint and 600 RPM for one endpoint. So if you want to adjust, you can adjust from here. Switch on the endpoint rate limit and input the number you want to use here. For now, we keep default. Then we can just click create.
Okay.
So once we create the endpoint, you will see our information like this. For example, this is the endpoint name, and this is the endpoint ID. So what's important here will be the endpoint ID. The string with start from EP. So if you want to check how to use it, you can click this access API. Sorry, it's already clicked it. So you can choose the API key from here. And also here is the sample code. You can see inside the code, the model name is not the normal one like ByteDance 2.0 blah blah. It is the endpoint. So if you see the string, it's exactly the same with here. So here will be the source code you can reference in your platform.
Okay.
And also here is our Arc API key. So you need to copy and paste this API key in your source code. Do you have any questions so far? If not, I can show you how to generate API key.
Yes, show me.
Okay. Then once you have the endpoint, you need to create API keys. In terms of how to create it, click this one, API keys, and then choose create API key to create a new one. But the point here is here is a permission. You can give any name you want. But the point here is here's the permission drop down menu. You click the customize. And then by default, this API key will be usable for all the models. That's not what we want. We should disable this one. And also in the customize endpoint, we also disable all the default ones and choose the one we created just now. That means this API key is only for this endpoint. That's what makes sure the permission keep the minimum. After that, you can click the create button. And then this is the API key. If you want to see the value, you just click this button, and you will see the API key here. And then if you go back to the online reference, we check the endpoint access API. So here we have everything you need to call your API. I think then we complete all the process and the steps. Is that clear for you?
It's clear.
Okay.
Did you record it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And also we have a two-step document to explain how to do this, and I can also share with you later.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. And also maybe I can give you another explanation in terms of check how to check the bills. For example, if you go to the billing, go to the bill management. Here you can see the overview of your account, and you can check the bill details, and you can also split the bills by the endpoint we created just now.
Okay.
For example, if you want to check what's the cost for one endpoint, you just choose this one. There's the instance ID. You can choose the split item ID and input the EP string here. I don't have the data right now, but I can show you. So for example, let me find if I have the EP one. Let's try if I can find this or not. So if you can see the item here. So if you paste it, copy from here and paste it in the filter, you can just split it by the endpoint. Is that clear for you?
Clear.
Okay, cool. So this is the basic way in terms of how to use API. I think it's good for you to try this way and integrate into your platform and give a try. But however, there is a document I showed before. This one. Have you seen this document before?
Yes, I see it before.
Yeah. So this is a more complicated way in terms of generate API key. Why it's complicated? Because we use project to isolate the user, the endpoint, and the API key. So I'm not sure your use case. So if you in the future you need to use this, we can have another call and set up together. But I think for now, for your test process, the basic way should be enough.
Okay. In the next stage, I will isolate users and I count every user how many tokens to get. So I will use this document.
Okay. I think you don't need to assign one endpoint to one user because we have a limitation in terms of the maximum number of API keys. So if I remember clearly, you can generate 100 API key totally. So I think for one,
say it again.
So we can, the maximum number of the API key we can generate is 100.
Oh, okay.
So I think
I just tell you, my member in my team it's 10, so it's okay. 10 users, not so big.
Okay, 10 users, right? Then that should be okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, then let me go back to the console. Do you have any other questions in terms of this model app?
Until now, didn't have a question, but if I have question, I will send it to you.
Okay, sure, no problem. You can ping me anytime on the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Hey, sorry. What did you say earlier? You said 10? 10 users?
In my company now, I will test for 10 users.
Oh, in your company. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
So I will test it for 10 users now until I publish it.
Yeah.
So I publish it. I think I will need more than 100 users. So I will take another solutions.
Okay. Oh, this is once you release to the public, right?
Yes, I want
Okay, the internal
to check it in our company to check everything is going well and our platform is good. Go to another stage after everything is good.
Sure. I think for the platform, I suggest this one. Do you know the formula in terms of calculate the cost of each API call?
I didn't calculate the cost for each user until now. I will isolate the user and try to get solution to know how. So I can ask you for each step. If I stuck in any step, I will ask you.
Yeah, sure. Just a little bit hand up. So most of the platforms they developed their own algorithm and steps to calculate the cost. This is the formula in terms of what's the cost of what's the cost of token when you call one API. So the platform developer will develop the cost based on this formula. So just for information in case you need it in the future.
Yes, I will take conversion from your unit to our unit.
Yeah, exactly. Cool. I will send you the link later after this meeting.
Okay, thank you a lot.
No problem. I think it's all from my side.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so let me share with you the recording, and so you can take a look at that, and then I guess when do you have time to work on this, or when do you think you'll finish with this whole process, the API process?
In the rest day of this week, I will test it to check everything is going good, and if I need to fix something in my platform, I will fix it.
Okay.
In 2 weeks, I think I will go to publish my website, and I will come and back from you to make sure everything is good. After I check website is ready, we can publish it, and we have a marketing plan have a YouTubers in Middle East who can market this website from us because
Okay.
it's a early website to do this in our area.
Okay, great. And
Okay,
I guess,
back to you in every step, step by step.
yeah, of course. Okay. I guess if you have any other questions, we can help to answer, but if not, I think we can wrap up the call.
Okay. If I have anything, I will call Aya
Yeah,
from tomorrow. I know the difference of time, 6 hours between
yeah.
we and you. So I will call you in your work time.
Thank you. That's very nice. But okay. So yeah, we'll send over the recording and some materials and just keep us updated on how it goes.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Ohio,
Bye.
gozaimasu.
Bye.